कई सवाल जवाब करते हैं मेरे लड़की होने पर। कई सवाल जवाब करते हैं मेरे लड़की होने पर। इसलिए आज कुछ सवाल और जवाब मेरी तरफ से। A very happy Women's Day to all of you. It's a very prestigious part for me on such a special and auspicious day, that is International Women's Day. And I, Deep Shikha, here before you of Standard 11 to deliver a short speech on women empowerment. नारी गौरव है, अभिमान है, नारी ने ही रचा विधान है, हमारा नतमस्तक इन्हें प्रणाम है. Women empowerment is comprised of two blissful words, that is women and empowerment. As all of us know, women empowerment means power or authority vested in the hands of women. It signifies that women should be given equal opportunity in each and every field, irrespective of discrimination of caste, creed, or religion. I think all of us are familiar that in our historic period, men were considered to be the leading member of a family and society. They were only responsible for earning livelihood and also were decision makers. There was no involvement of women in decision making. They were involved in household works. Well, time have changed. Centuries smooth like clouds on the clear sky, but still in the world any better for women? Centuries of human history stand witness to women discrimination. You love woman as a mother, you love her as a wife, you love her as your sister, but why not as a daughter? One of the major hindrances in the growth and advancement of women is gender inequality. This means that we treat males and females unequally even for the same level. A male child is always encouraged to go to school, but the female child is told to learn household works. If we wish to see a nation that develops economically and on the global front, then it's very important to have women empowerment. The actual women empowerment will come by making the women economically independent. Now, let's talk about need for women empowerment. Almost every country, no matter how progressive, has a history of ill-treating women. In other words, women from all over the world have been rebellious to reach the status they are today. In India, women empowerment is needed more than ever. India is amongst the countries which are not safe for women. Firstly, women in India are in danger of honor killings. Their family thinks it's right to take the life or if they bring shame to the reputation of their legacy. The education and freedom scenario is very regressive here. Women are not allowed to pursue the highest education. They are married of early ages. The men are still dominating women in some regions, like in women's duty to work for him endlessly. They do not let them go out or have freedom of any kind. It's truly said, to awaken the people is the woman who must be awakened. If she is on move, family move, and the village is move, and definitely the nation moves. There is no tool for the development more effective than the empowerment of women. In this era, it has been noticed that various fields women are taking active participation in social as well as political decisions. It is very positive sign for the upcoming generation. As we are witnessing today, women are catching shoulder of men in each and every field. The most dignitarious regions like IAS, IPS, astronauts, pilots, navy, etc. are being occupied by women. We have many such examples like Rani Lakshmi Bai, Sarojini Naidu, Mother Teresa, who put up their life for the development of the nation. In each and every field, from lowest to highest, are getting equivalent respect to men. And really, I'm very lucky one as a only daughter of my parents and enjoying all types of rights. I am very proud of my parents who are putting all efforts for me to become a respectful and successful person in the society and life. At last, I would like to thank Real Classes for providing me a platform to raise my voice for women. Lastly, I am going to conclude my words with a small poetry. नारी कहीं भी कैसा भी बोझ उठा सकती है, नारी कहीं भी कैसा भी बोझ उठा सकती है, वो सीता बन बेटों को लवकुश बना सकती है। अरे कमज़ोरी से मत नापना इनके ताकत को दोस्त, अरे कमज़ोरी से मत नापना इनके ताकत को दोस्त, जिन हाथों में चूड़ियाँ हैं ना वो कल को तलवार भी चला सकती हैं। थैंक यू।